Welcome back to Real RWBs by RMC Miami.
Check it out, son. Check it out.
Show, track day, back road, set up for everything. What Japan embodies for RWBs is a true all-around car that you can use for everything. So Aragostas, 964 turbo big brakes, floating rotors, Promodet 6-to-1 race header, refresh engine by Promodet, sunroof delete, has the whole race car feel, sound, and performs extremely well. Lightweight flywheel, OS Giken limited slip, the dumbest fitment in the world, and it works. If you drive the car, you would never think that with this setup that the car works. It works so well. A very fast, very clean. For a 964 with a refresh motor, header, tune, it's got a MAF conversion. It is a very, very fast car. All the sound deadening's been removed. It's been beautifully painted black. The single exit with the famous Promodet 6-to-1 race header. It's not too loud when you're cruising, wide open throttle, it sounds amazing. This is one of the most stylish RWBs with cold AC that you could drive daily. Not a lot of cars like this, especially in the United States. So usually they're a little bit more race car, a little kind of boring to drive. This car just lands right in the middle of having the best of everything. So amazing condition, sounds, drives, feels, maintained. Truly a standout RWB.